Good morning, students. Today I am going to explain the third construction method. When construct a triangle ABC where AB, BC plus CA, it means a perimeter of triangle is given and a base angles are given. Okay. Now in this example, it is 11 centimeter perimeter. Angle base angle is 60 degree and C is a 45 degree. Means in triangle ABC, BC is your base, which having a triangle perimeter is 11 centimeter and two base angles are 60 degree and 45 degree. Okay. Now students, in this construction we can do two methods. One method, you can take first whatever perimeter is there, firstly draw the 11 centimeter segment. At the end of the segment you have to construct the angle, which you can take 60 or 45 degree, or you can take a half of the 60 and 45 degree. Okay. Now see by the construction how you can do it. If you are observing, what is the perimeter? 11 centimeter. Okay. And what is the angle B? 60. Angle C? 45 degree. Now by using the scale, firstly draw the segment of 11 centimeter. Whatever the perimeter of triangle is there, this much segment you have to construct, and you have to give the name P and Q to that segment. We have to construct the triangle ABC. Okay. We have to construct the triangle ABC at perimeter 11 centimeter, and that's why we have to we constructed a PQ segment, that is a 11 centimeter. Now here it is a two choice. You can construct whatever the angle is given, that is equal to angle B 60 degree at point P, or you can construct angle Q, that is 45 degree, that is equal to angle C. B is equal to P and angle Q is equal to C. According to that, we have to construct the two angle. Okay. After constructing the two angles, we have to take a bisector of these two angles. So instead of taking a bisector, you can directly construct the angle which is half of the B and C. Two method. What? Firstly, you can construct the same angle and draw the bisector. Angle bisector, all of you know that. Take some distance in a compass, draw an arc. From an arc, you have to draw the two arc by taking the same distance, or you can change also. A small distance you have to take from both the end point of arc, draw the arc and then construct the angle bisector of P and Q. Or what I am saying, instead of this step, you can take angle P as half of the angle B, and you can take angle Q as half of the angle C. Again I am repeating. Instead of taking the 60 and 45 degree angle as a B and C angle, you can take half of the angle also. If you are taking B and C as a 60 and 45 as a B, then you have to construct the angle bisector. Now whatever the point joining is there, that is your point A. Now we have to find out B and C. Okay. Very simple it is. Now we have to take a perpendicular bisector of PA and QA. What you have to do? You have to construct the perpendicular bisector of AP and AQ. दोनों सेगमेंट का परपेंडिकुलर बाइसेक्टर आपको ड्रॉ करना है, AP and AQ, by taking a more than half distance of AP and half distance of AQ. Same only actually it is. Okay. Then from point Q, from point A now, means now we are drawing, what we are doing? We are drawing a perpendicular bisector of AP and AQ. by simply taking a more than half distance of AP and AQ. Now join this perpendicular bisector arc, and whatever intersecting point of this perpendicular bisector at P to the segment P and Q, that point is your B and C. Join with A. So it is ABC triangle is formed. Understood? After drawing the perpendicular bisector, you have to, this is your triangle ABC.